Georgio. I'm going up there rolling.
Sandboard there.
Sandboard, you're gonna hit the ground like a sack of potatoes, man. And that's our car.
Are you making then a video?
Yeah, I'm making a vlog.
With music. So we're gonna be famous.
So guys, what we're gonna do, so this is Errol all the way.
Hello.
Me and Errol are gonna be... Hey! Do my shot!
Hi.
Hello.
We have red-bellied black snakes and pythons, which are non-venomous. So there's a lot of snake life here, and then a lot of the food the snakes like. There's a lot of like small stuff here, but like just none of those big sort of typical Australian things.
Wine and some peanuts. Thank you. Cerveza, bira, cerveza.
Jeez, so quick. From very
Hello. This is Andrew, our guide.
Yeah, guys.
Hey guys.
Wait, look at No one really swims on this side of the island because just a little bit out to sea, a few miles out, there's all this reef, like deep water reef in about 60 meters of water. And it's full of tiger sharks.
Really?
And what happens is those sharks actually come into the beach to feed. So, like, just like literally right off the edge here in this white water where it's like waist deep, we get big tiger sharks coming in. So it's a little bit risky for swimming. Sometimes you see people surfing.
So we walk into the Blue Lagoon now. Where are we heading to now, Andrew?
Cape Moreton now, up to see the lighthouse.
Keep in touch, guys. We will be back for more.
Like, subscribe. No.
Just have a bit of a chat at the back of the car with everyone.
Yeah.
And then we'll head up and enjoy the view.
Apparently, there was a family living up in the lighthouse, and they had how many kids?
10.
10 kids.
There was no Netflix at night, so they have to entertain themselves.
What do you think, Rafa?
Was quite impressive.
That's the lighthouse. Honeymoon Bay, which apparently is too dangerous to swim. So apparently Honeymoon Bay is too dangerous to swim.
With sharks
and strong currents.
Strong currents.
Down there there's some rocks, and that's what's called champagne pools, so we're gonna swim there. So this is the really dangerous Honeymoon Bay. You can see in the middle there's like a rip current.
Oh, guys, you think that is dangerous?
I don't think it's dangerous. I'll definitely jump in.
Hey, where is my glass of champagne, mate?
Yeah, where's
my
it?
glass?
Oh, that was so cool.
It's coming another one.
I always break it. We went to the champagne pools. And now we go back to the campsite. So we all had a shower and changed to a fresh set of clothes. Hello.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me want
Getting
to
ready
try
for this?
forever. I feel so
So we got some garlic bread, salad, burgers and meat.
No, en serio. En serio, mi amor.
They're talking about farts.
Welcome to his channel.
Nothing's off topic here.
Good morning. Just gonna go have some breakfast now. It's like 6 a.m.
What have you making?
Oh, here.
Eyes on opening.
One coffee.
Welcome to his channel.
Every time. See. We're heading to the sand dunes to Sandboarding.
Yes!
Welcome to his channel.
We made it to the desert. So we got our piece of wood here.
Welcome to his channel.
He was saying there's a lot of little rocks here around. Maybe you can't see them on the video. These are apparently melted sand from lightning strikes. That.
Look at this one.
And look at that one. In his channel.
Look at these. Melted sand from lightning strikes. It's pretty cool.
Janela. Oh, I like that.
Please don't move it, okay? There's no reason to. I've got it where you're lined up with your body. All you need to do is walk down the board, grab the board, pull it up. Okay, if you do this or this, you're going to have lunch. It's called sandwiches and it tastes like shit. All the way until you come to the very end. Yeah. Whose board's this?
Mine.
Oh, well, come on down, brother. You're up first.
All right.
Woo! So George is gonna be the first volunteer to eat some sand.
Yep, it was nice meeting you. Always. All right, brother, knees together there and there. Awesome. Lay down on the board. Lay down. Okay, so grab it in front of the board and pull it up nice and
Oh my god.
It's about, what time? It's 8 o'clock. It was really a lot of fun, and it was really hot as well. So it was hard going up the hill, but it was worth it, totally worth it. Just here at the beach when you go kayaking. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna take 10 to go to the shipwreck.
Give a like and subscribe, please.
Thanks, brother. Paula is going.
In my best outfit.
See you later.
Hey, the water is cold.
If you know, you know. We're at the campsite. We had lunch, which was not enough, but we had a lot of cookies. What do you think of the lunch, guys?
I need to refill that.
So we're gonna go snorkeling, and then we're gonna go back to the ferry and back to Brisbane. We'll go everything packed and we go in snorkeling. Got it. Back at the boat after snorkeling. It was really nice, but the current was so strong. So we're just gonna chill here at the boat, and then we'll leave in about half an hour.